Hi friends, I am C. Hanmantrao Chaudhary. Today I am going to talk about the GDP. Most of you know the Indian GDP is going negative of 23 to 27%. बट आपने कभी सोचा है जीडीपी क्या होता है और कैसे इसका मेजरमेंट होता है? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज द जीडीपी and how it impact our Indian economy. A GDP is the long form of gross domestic product. The GDP means the total monetary value of finished product and services produced during the defined period and during the territory within the territory of the Indian border. This is the definition of the GDP. If you want to measure the GDP on quarterly basis, we have to take the consideration of whatever monetary value of finished product and service produced during that quarter to measure the GDP. If you want to calculate GDP on yearly basis, we have to calculate the whatever finished products and services produced during that year to calculate our GDP. The GDP is the indicator of our Indian health of the economy. On this basis, we will measure the health of the economy. The how GDP will be measured. There are total 4 type of measures which will done the GDP calculations. We will go one by one in details. The first method, the consumptions method. If consumption is more, the GDP will be going up. After the lockdown, most of the people stop or reduce the consumptions. If you want to purchase 5 shirts and 5 pants, now you are deciding only taking 2 or 3. If you want to purchase the car, your demand will be postponing for further 6 months. Due to this, our consumption is going to reduce and GDP also affects. The second method is government expenditures method. If the government is expenditures more and more on salary of the government employees, and if they want to purchase the weapons for our military and for investment of infrastructures, if government is expending on these 3 expenditures, our GDP will be going up. If government started expending on social security, health and unemployment compensations, our GDP will be going down. After the COVID, the government stopped all these 3 category of expenditures and they are started expenditure on the health and social security of the citizens. Due to that, our GDP will be going down. This is the second reasons how the GDP will affect our Indian economy and how it will be measured. And third one is investment methods. If the businessmen purchasing more and more machineries and software, then also GDP going up. During this COVID pandemic, most of the businessmen stopped their purchasing the machineries and software for the business purpose. Due to this also our GDP will be going down. The fourth method is net export method. If more the exports, our GDP will be going up. If the export is reduced, our GDP will be going to reduced. The government taking very good initiative to encourage the foreign company to come in India and do the easy of business. Due to this, our export once exceed, then import, our GDP will be automatically growing. Now our governments encouraging more foreign company to come in India and make in India the more and more export. This is the 4 method how GDP will be measured. Once the lockdown and all these things now comes in the normal, all these 4 factors is now investing. Due to this, our GDP is also going up. I think we are understand what is the GDP and how it impacts and how it will be measured for the GDP purpose. I think more of you are clear. We will meet with new updates. You share and like these videos and share to your more and more friends and colleagues to gain more and more knowledge. We will meet again with new updates and new knowledge. Thank you very much.